Hi guys, welcome to the unboxing and quick review of this seOSTO medium crossbag for women. It was listed on Amazon for about $25, is available in black and white. So here is how it comes. It's at least nicely protected here. So let's see what we really get. The reviews are a little bit mixed. Not too good, not too bad, so it's a little bit difficult to find out what you really get. I would say it's lightweight, so you can definitely not expect to get heavy stuff for $25, and it is about what I would expect to get at this price range. When you buy this bulk, you pay, can't remember, I've seen this on AliExpress or so, maybe you pay $5 or something like that. But of course you will have to buy like a lot of time, like 100 pieces if you get to get a really low price, like $3 or so. So let's see how this works. I'm trying to smell. Some people were complaining about the smell. For me, yeah, this doesn't really have a smell. Since some people were complaining about the silver application, so I'm going to close up a little bit to this thing here. As you can see, this is not like flat silver, it's some kind of really small nice pieces. So maybe people were thinking like it's damaged. It looks like it's not damaged. These are just small silver plates. So I cannot complain here. I mean, you can feel that it is quite soft, but it's not super soft. I've seen worse, definitely. Yeah, here everything is protected. Yeah, zipper works really good. It's nice. You get this inside bag here. Yeah, here also protected. And some information. Yeah, we get also this inside pocket here. Works really good. I don't see any really cheap manufacturing. I mean, there are a lot of one-star reviews. I don't see the one-star reviews really legit. I mean, even that here, I mean, it won't last for years for sure, but everything works really well. Let's see, zipper here. Yeah, I mean, I've definitely seen worse. I would say that's decent quality for $25. What can you expect? I mean, yeah, you see everything good, looking good. The seams, the stitching, everything. No like errors, nothing damaged, no weak parts. Also the thing here, you can shorten or extend the size. Everything well made. Of course it's not leather, it's plastic, but if it lasts for a year or so, that's not bad at all. I mean, there's some decoration, you could remove that if you don't like that. Yeah, it won't last forever anyway. Yeah, but yeah, it's not too bad. Yeah, it's closed here, so everything actually, I would say, definitely in a decent quality. By the way, this video is not a sponsored video or something like that. This is just my honest opinion. I'm not paid to do that review. I could tell you that it's total scam and nobody would ever complain about that, but I don't see it as a scam. I would say it's about on a decent price range, what you can expect, or decent quality, what you can expect at this price range. If you like it, black one or the white one, yeah, why not? I mean, I think I can really give you full recommendation. I have seen weaker things, I can definitely tell you. So yeah, sometimes you get cheaper things and then they are totally flat, they are just like a piece of paper. So this is, at least it has some shape. Of course it's not a Gucci pocket, or it's not a, I don't know, whatever the names are. I mean, there are different things, but you can pay $10,000 for such a bag, 20 or 25 or something like that. Yeah, why not? Especially maybe you are lucky and you are seeing even a coupon or so, which brings the price down to maybe $20 or so. Yeah, I think everything working good, everything stable. It's light, it's lightweight. Yeah, of course. I think it should be capable to carry quite some weights. You can really fill it up with all the stuff you have for you and for your children, and it shouldn't fall apart. Don't see any problem with that. So I'll put down the link to the Amazon listing down into the description, so you can check it out, order it right from there if you like it. And if you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below, and I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.